Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Didi. If you are new here, you are welcome. Before you leave, I hope you hit that good old subscribe button down below. So today is like a little different video. Today I'm filming a pack with me. So I think this video will be a little bit all over the place, but I just want to show you guys how I pack like a lot of, you know, outfits for like a 4-day trip or a 5-day trip. Using just my carry-on and, you know, my personal bag. So the carry-on I'm bringing to on my trip is this. This is what it looked like. It's like a Ricardo luggage thingy. So this is it. It's black. I got this a very long time ago, and I'm also taking my Never Full bag. My Never Full bag from Louis Vuitton. So yeah. I kind of like separated my clothes. I kind of separated my clothes like from like nighttime, from like pajamas to, you know, my day outfits like nighttime. And I'm going for a birthday trip, so like the outfit I'm gonna wear that birthday trip. So yeah. So within this trip, I'm only bringing one pair of heels, lots of sandals, and the rest of my outfits. So I will be showing you guys basically how I pack. Excuse this mess. I had to like take out some clothes that I don't think I'm gonna wear or whatever. But for starters, I'm gonna roll my clothes. I feel like when you roll it, I don't know, you could like put a lot of stuff in your luggage when it's like rolled up. So you guys just gonna be watching me do that. So I have like a bunch of clothes right here, and over there is like my pajama. Right here is like other you know, clothes. So we're gonna fit all of that in there. We're gonna fit all of. Okay guys, so basically I just finished putting all of my clothes in the suitcase. Now I'm gonna move on to like undergarment, bags, shoes, and makeup. So okay, so most of my undergarment and swimwear, or I put them in a Ziploc bag, and I have some in like the suitcase itself. My outfits that I'm wearing doesn't require a lot of bras, probably like 2 or 3 outfits. So I'm gonna take 2 bras, including the one I'm leaving with, so that's 3. And yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. And then I'm gonna move on to like the makeup portion and the shoes and all of that. But right here, undergarments, swimwear, all of that are in here. So I have 2 pouches. I have like my this is like my soap. It's liquid soap. I don't know, sometimes I get away with it, sometimes I don't. So my soap, my deodorant, like toothbrush, toothpaste, my setting powder, because it couldn't fit in my other makeup bag. I have a liquid soap and a bar soap just in case I gotta throw one out. And I have like my medicine and my setting spray in this pouch. So in the next one, I have my shower cap, my toothbrush, and like my scrub in this one. So I'm gonna put this in the carry-on as well. Oh, I'm also gonna show you guys like my makeup. I'm pretty sure Alright, so the carry-on is ready to go. I also like picking out my airport outfits. So I don't know if you guys saw my Misguided haul, but it was like this sweatsuit that I was gonna wear. So I'm gonna fold it and put it aside because I know this is gonna be like my airport outfit. I also have a coming back outfit, but I think you could also wear like the outfit you left with. I don't know, because I'm going to like a hot environment, so I don't think it will matter, but that's just my opinion. So I'm gonna fold it and put it on top of the carry-on. Also, I'm bringing a hat. Obviously this hat, it can't fit in a carry-on, but it will be bent, so I'm just gonna like put that on top and I will be holding it in my hands. Now onto the bag, y'all. Let me move you guys here. My closet got so crazy because like I was picking out like my outfits. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see. Alright, so I'm taking my closet is open, don't mind it. My room's a little messy, don't mind it. It will be clean. Okay, so I'm taking my Never Full bag from Louis Vuitton. I got this many years ago. So I'm taking like little bags, so I'm gonna put all of them in here, at least try to fit them in, and then I will put it in my big Never Full bag. So the Never Full bag is like my personal bag, because you know how like the plane, they let you have a carry-on and like a personal bag. So yeah, so I'm taking 2, 3, 4 bags. I think I had 2 in the luggage already, so these are the mini bags. So I'm just gonna like put them in, but before I do that, I'm gonna fill them up. So I already filled this one up with like the other bag, so it's 2 bags in here. What I'm also gonna do is fold my Gucci scarf. Well, I don't need to necessarily fold it. I'm just gonna like stuff it in there, so like the form doesn't like, you know, get messed up. So that's that. So now I have 2 things in here. More could fit, but I don't want to overdo it, so I'm gonna put it in a Never Full bag. What else? Now I also have this one. This one I didn't take out the paper that they put in, so I'm gonna take out the papers. I'm gonna put the string back in. I will be adding, I have like these lashes, so I'm gonna put that in. So it's my boyfriend's birthday, so I bought candle for cake, so I'm gonna also like put this in. What else? I have my portable charger. It's gonna go in here as well. I have like this ring light for my phone. It will go in here as well. And that is it for this bag. So I'm gonna close it and put it in here as well. Okay, so I have some sandals in here, so I'm just gonna like stuff that in the bag. What else? I have my Gucci belt because I'm gonna be wearing a belt, so I'm gonna put that also in here. Okay, so I have some shades. I don't know why I'm taking this, but I got this black, you know, nigga blocker shade. And like the thing I like about those shades, like it has like its own, you know, little pocket. And I'm also taking, yeah, I just need, I'm not gonna take this one. I'm gonna take my Dior dupe. This one doesn't have a case, so I gotta be like careful with it. So I'm gonna put both of these in the bag. Okay, so this is the last bag. I'm gonna put my makeup remover. I don't know if you guys can see it, but makeup remover. I put my jewelry in this like little box, and then it's also gonna go in here. And that's that. I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna put it in a big and the other bag. See, it's never full. Like, it's not even full yet. But we don't have a lot more to put in there. So I have my hand sanitizer and my keys, and I'm gonna put it in the pocket of the bag, in the bag on the side. So that's that. Okay, so I have my brush. I have my brush, I have a comb. Okay, now my makeup is in here. When I go on vacation, I don't like to do like nothing crazy. I just need my foundation, my contour, my highlight, my setting powder, and the spray, and I'm good. And my bronzer, because my bronzer, I could use my bronzer as an eyeshadow. So that's in here, and that's gonna go in the bag as well. I am taking 2 wigs on my vacation. I have a curly one. I ordered it. It's not here yet. It will come. So I'm gonna need a flat iron. Yeah, just a flat iron. I don't need a hot comb. So I'm gonna add my flat iron in here. I have my flat iron. You guys, I almost forgot my brushes. I would have been so upset. Like, what? But here are my brushes. As you guys could see, I didn't take too many brushes. I just have brushes for, you know, the essentials, like my powder brush, foundation brush, concealer brush, and I have to wash my beauty blender, so it's not here. But this will go in here too. And you know, in the planes they be like blowing me, so I'm gonna take only 2 cents. Hopefully I could bring them in. So I'm gonna take my Jimmy Choo and my Gucci Guilty, or I'm just gonna take like 1, because if I have to throw it out, I will be so upset. I love this perfume so much. I don't have no perfume on right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my Gucci Guilty. So that's gonna go in here, and I'm gonna put the Jimmy Choo back. And guys, that is it. Here's my bag. It don't look like it's full, and it's not heavy. I love this bag so. And I'm ready to go for this video. I hope it was helpful. I don't know, I just thought of like packing on camera. I don't know if you guys will be interested. And I know like some people don't really know how to pack. Well, like, it's not like they don't know how to pack, but like they don't know how to like bring so much outfits. I'm staying there for 4 days, and I have an outfit for like a week and a half. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.